What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is Sunday. We had quite the busy morning. We just cleaned the middle level of the house. Yesterday we cleaned upstairs. Today we cleaned in the middle because today Eric's family is coming over for our white elephant exchange, and we're doing a Korean barbecue at home. So we've done this a few times and it's just so convenient and such a great way to experience Korean barbecue, but not at such a high cost. So we're excited for that. I'm pretty hungry and I haven't eaten this morning, so I think I'm gonna make myself an avocado toast while we prep for the Korean barbecue. It's gonna be so yummy. I love Korean barbecue. And then I showered, I got ready, and that's basically what we did this morning. So while we were cleaning this level, I thought that I would show you guys how we keep our home smelling delicious and good and fresh, because we do a few things that kind of keep our space smelling really good, and I want to be extra about it today because Korean barbecue tends to smell really strong. So we do it here in the middle level so that we can open up the window and like all the scent can go out, but sometimes it still lingers. But I kind of want to do my best to try to combat that scent. So I'm going to start in the living room and work my way towards the kitchen, and I'll show you guys how we make our home smell good. So we do these, don't mind this mess, this is going in my car in a minute, but we do these Bath & Body Works plugins, and we use winter scents. I think this is winter something. I can't remember the full name, but that's the scent that we use. And we kind of switch scents throughout the house, but plugins are a great way to make your home smell yummy. And we also do candles in every room. So the candle that's burning in here is Marshmallow Fireside. I love this candle. This is like such a great winter scent. It smells literally like a marshmallow fireside. It's so good. I'm also going to put these on the tree. These are sensicles, and they're basically scented ornaments. So I'm gonna put this all over this tree over here because this is a tree that everyone sees as soon as they walk in. So hopefully they also smell it as soon as they walk in. I hang them on the tree. They smell so yummy and fresh. They smell like a real Christmas tree. Okay, so the scents are on this one. This is how they look. They're just like hung like ornaments. They kind of blend into the tree too, so it doesn't really mess around with your decor, but I put some on there. So this room is pretty much set in terms of scent, making sure that the plugins are full and the candles are on. We usually have a plug-in over here, but I guess we didn't have enough. But this is this room, and then over in this living room, I'm gonna turn on this candle right here. We have a plug-in on this wall, and this is the other kind of plugins that we like to use. These are from Glad, and they smell really, really, really good, and they last pretty long, and they're a lot more affordable than Bath & Body Works. So we like to do a mixture of these two. This is a vanilla sugar scent. Oh, it smells so good, guys. It smells like just like baked cookies, but not too sweet, because I don't like something that's too sweet. It's like a nice sweet and fresh scent. So we love using these. So I'm going to turn this candle on. And then in the kitchen, Eric already lit this candle. This is Winter Woods, and it's from this company, Fig and Fire. It's a local company here, and it's a scented soy candle. So these smell really strong, they smell really good, and they last a long time. It has a really high burn time. I think it was like 16 hours. So we lit this one up in the kitchen, and then in the kitchen we also have plugins. So in here we're using the Glad one, which we love. And then I'll show you guys what we do in the bathroom, because we do a few things in the bathroom to keep it smelling good. So this is the powder bathroom where our guests use the bathroom. And in here, I'll turn this candle on in a bit. And then under the candle, we have these scented sachets. I picked this one up from At Home, and it's basically just like a little sachet that has scents in it, and it smells really, really good. This one's lavender. And I like keeping fresh scents like this, like lavender, eucalyptus in the bathrooms, because they're just really refreshing. So I'll turn this candle on in a bit. And we also have a plug-in in here as well. So this is a Bath & Body plug-in. I wonder if I can see the scents under here. I can't. I wish I could know the scents, but they have a ton of yummy scents. And the good thing about Bath & Body is you can smell them while you're there too. We're all about scents in this house. Like, we have a ton of leftover Glads. We usually have a bunch of Bath & Body extras too, but I think we're gonna have to go pick some up for our second Christmas gather. Oh no, they're right here. Okay, so we have cozy linen. This is the one that's in here. And then winter is a really, really good one for the holidays. We have an extra cozy linen back there. And then we have some extra candles down here. I still haven't even finished my coffee from this morning. I had a little accident. But yeah, that's basically how we keep our home smelling nice for our guests. And just throughout the week, we love doing candles and making sure that the plugins are full because it just makes a big difference. Like I'm such a scent person. Like I love scents and smells. So that's what we do around the house. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself an avocado toast because I'm hungry. Eric went to H Mart to get all the stuff for the barbecue. And that's where you can get everything. I'm gonna show you guys how we prep everything, like the salad. Oh my God, the salad is so yummy. I love the salad. We prep sauces and everything. We'll show you like our full setup and everything. But that's where Eric got everything, is H Mart. So he's there now. I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm so hungry. And probably just relax until our guests arrive. So we just finished making the salad. We have Korean lettuce, soybean paste, kimchi, garlic, soy sauce, onion, and sesame oil. And this is the meat that we picked up from H Mart. We have brisket. We got 4 briskets and 4 bulgogi. And this is like the perfect kind of meat to use with Korean barbecue. It's super easy to cook and it already comes like ready to cook. So for this part of the vlog, I'm going to go ahead and hop on voiceover because I didn't get a ton of footage because we were just enjoying family time. But this is basically our Korean barbecue setup. We put the meat on the griddle. We had 2 griddles and then we just all sat around and cooked the meat together and had the salad, some rice, and all of the sauces. I was also making some Christmas cocktails. I made a similar one to the cocktail that Eric and I made in our Christmas cocktail making video that we made. And I put them in these really cute ornament holders. I just thought that it was just such a cute idea because, you know, it's Christmas time. It kind of makes the drink a little bit more festive. After we had dinner, we opened up our white elephant gifts. We did a white elephant gift exchange. We played some games, and then after we played some games, we made some popcorn with one of the white elephant gifts, which was a popcorn maker. And then we kind of just chilled out. I played this game with my nephew quite a bit. He really liked it, and basically you just try to throw the little circular things onto the antlers. He's so cute. I love him. We had so much fun. We really enjoyed our time with family, and yeah, now back to the vlog. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so crazy. I didn't even realize how crazy it looks. So we're all done with our family time. Our family just left and Eric is helping me clean up. I did all the dishes and everything, but we're just mopping the floors again and vacuuming because we did eat all right here. And I just feel like the smell of Korean barbecue is like just lingering. So we're trying to just like really clean the entire space to get rid of the smell. But we had such a great time with family. I didn't really vlog that much because I just wanted to be in the moment and enjoy our time with them. We did white elephant exchange, we played some games, and we ended the night watching Home Alone. So it was such a great time. We had so much fun. I want to show you guys my white elephant gift because it's literally perfect. Let me go grab it. Where is it? Yes.
Did I miss any spots?
No, it looks good, honey. Looks perfect. Where's my white elephant gift?
Huh?
Where's my white elephant gift?
Right upstairs.
Oh. So the first part of my gift was rosé. And I love 19 Crimes red wine. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to love their rosé as well. But 19 Crimes red wine is my favorite wine. So when I opened it, the Snoop one, yeah, my hair. The Snoop one in particularly is my favorite. And then it came with this really cute Bath and Body Works aromatherapy gift bag. So it has this eucalyptus spearmint body wash, and then this eucalyptus and spearmint hand soap, which I think I'm gonna put this in the bathroom downstairs, and then eucalyptus and spearmint body lotion and hand cream. So just that stress relief line, and then a Bath and Body Works $25 gift card. And this, guys, literally, like, it just kept getting better and better and better. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this notebook is like literally like just what I needed. So it's a journal, but it's a fitness journal, and it says no goal was met without a little sweat. And oh my gosh, so at first, when I first glanced through it, I thought that it was just like similar to the 5-minute journal that I do about gratitude and stuff. It's actually so much more detailed, and I love it because it's specifically for fitness. So I'm just gonna read through this page as an example. It says, today I'm grateful for, then you do the 3 things that you're grateful for. My goal to live life fit today is. One thing I appreciate about my strong bod today is. I love this so much. And then it says rate your day. So I guess this is like the evening time. Move, today's workout. So you're going to put the number of minutes you worked out. Nourish, today's food. And then you'll put your energy level, which I love that food here is being associated with energy level, because I just feel like sometimes food can seem like such a negative thing, but it really is our source of energy. I just love that it's associated, because I just feel like it takes away that negative connotation that we tend to put on food. And then it says reflect, today's mood, and then it has the smiley faces. And then each page has a fit tip, which is so dope. So this one is afterburn, baby. High intensity resistance training burns 18% more calories 24 hours post-workout than traditional strength training. Add cardio between sets to boost the burn. And then on the next page, it has lines and a quote. This quote says, what you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. And then this says, this inspires me. But the fit tips are so awesome. Like, they vary page by page. This one says, improve cognitive function, increase, coffee can. Improve cognitive function, increase dopamine levels to stimulate your workout 10 to 15% longer. Sip a cup before your workout for a Java jolt of energy. Bonus, it's happiness in a cup. Okay, nice. And it just has such cool, like, fit tips. Like this one, this is so interesting. This says, eating meals while watching TV results in consuming an average of 288 additional calories. Turn off the tube. Which is so cool. So I'm so thankful for this. Like, honestly, this was such a great white elephant gift. And then this was Eric's white elephant gift. He got the aromatherapy diffuser, which I think we're going to keep in our room to kind of just set the tone in here, because we do have candles and plugins, but I think it would be nice to have a little diffuser on there. So we're probably going to try this out tonight. Maybe do the deep sleep one. Ooh, it has deep sleep, headache, and calm. The only downside about today is the reality that Christmas is closer and closer and closer, and I really don't want it to end. Like, I do not want Christmas to end. I wish we had a whole other month of Christmas fun. But I was reflecting this morning, because we were cleaning this morning and we were doing the middle floor, and I was reflecting on the fact that I was looking at the tree, and I was like cleaning around the tree and everything, and I was like, man, I'm so sad. This is gonna be gone soon. Like, the house is gonna feel so empty. It's gonna feel so different. And I kind of just felt in the moment, like, you know what? I need to stop focusing on when this moment is gonna end and just enjoy the moment. Because I feel like, not just with Christmas, but that just kind of opened my eyes to so much more. I feel like a lot of times I'm so worried about, like, how long is this gonna last? Majority of good things in my life, I'm like, how long is this gonna last? Like, is this gonna be a long-term thing? Like, I'm always focused on even the smallest of things, guys. Like, even like me feeling motivated to go to the gym, I'm like, okay, how long is this gonna last? I mean, I've been doing it for a few months, but like, how long is this gonna last? And I always focus on that, and I feel like that takes away from enjoying the moment and enjoying the present. So it was just a challenge to me today. I need to just enjoy the moment, stop focusing on the fact that Christmas is going to be over soon, and just enjoy. So yeah, that's kind of my little spiel for today and kind of what I was reflecting on. But I think we're just going to watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and relax. I think I'm going to have some dessert. It's still that time of the month for me, so I tend to have like the biggest sweet tooth. So I think I'm gonna have some dessert, hang out downstairs, chill with Eric. And Eric has been liking Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Like, right now I was watching it downstairs, and he has his headphones in because he's helping me mop. And he was like, babe, can you pause it until I'm done? Because he's like missing out on what's going on and the juiciness. So I'm waiting for him to finish so we can watch an episode, and then we're probably just gonna wrap up the night and go to bed. But yeah, I'm gonna go back downstairs and enjoy some time with my husband and watch Real Housewives and just kind of chill out.